Hi you guys, it's me here, Be Unique. I'm super excited about today's video. I just got my BoxyLuxe in the mail, so we're gonna do a unboxing slash try on. So I'm super excited, hence the barefaced look that I have going on right now. So if you're interested on this month's BoxyLuxe, keep on watching. Okay you guys, so I already took a sneak peek in my box, but I did not open anything, like, you know, I wanted to save that for you guys. So let me just get my box. I am super excited about this box. Ooh, yes. Okay. This is my first BoxyLuxe. Let me just take out this foam. And I am not disappointed one bit. Oh my gosh. So here's the little paper that tells you everything, all the prices, the details on the products. Excuse me. And it's the theme getaway item. I'm so happy because this is exactly what I wanted. In the box is the Tarte Tarteist Pro Glow Cheek Palette Volume 3. So this retails for $45. This feels really heavy, like it has some weight to it. Ooh, this is a little dirty, but that's okay. So this is what it looks like. Front. It has all the shades right here. And ooh, oh my gosh. Oh, okay, so it's magnetic. This, oh my god, these shades are super pretty. Okay, so I'm so excited to use this. I'm gonna swatch these. So I'm gonna start with this row first. I think the shade names are Dance Floor, A-Lister, and Backstage. So 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh. That blush is really pretty. Ooh, look at that highlight. That's not bad. Not bad at all. My cat just scared the bejesus out of me. So now I'm going to swatch this side here. And starting at the top, this one is Premier, Headliner, and Autograph. Let me go ahead, swatch these. That's pretty. I like how the blushes aren't so crazy bright. They're very much in my comfort zone. So immediately what I'm seeing, one of the bronzers have a lot of shimmer in it. Which name is this one? Which is this one here, Autograph. That one's very shimmery. So that's going to be interesting. I love how this is magnetic. I love that. And it's like, this definitely feels like it's good quality. Okay. So the next item in the box is Touch in Soul No Problem Prime Essence. If I can find this. Here we go. Ooh. Ooh, my box looks a little dingy. I did not take this out the box, by the way, so I'm wondering, why is it like that? There's no seal, so I hope it wasn't tampered with. That would suck. Ooh, that just like... Okay. So let me... Oh, that is... Okay, yeah, so it's definitely like a essence or some serum. Very, very runny. This retails for $23. It's supposed to be infused with calendula calendula flower extract. Let's see. It's supposed to tighten up your pores while keeping your skin silky and smooth. Well, I'm going to go ahead and put some of that on now because I do not have a primer on. So this will be interesting. I do have oily skin, so I wonder... Ooh. So this is going to be like a little try-on. Huh. It feels nice. That's for sure. Slightly tacky. It smells really nice too. Like it has a faint scent. Like it smells clean, if that makes any sense. So that's that. The next is Dominant Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss. This one retails for $17. And let's see, hydrating shine, add fullness to your lips, lightweight, non-sticky balm. Lasting and flexible, so you can wear it alone or layered. Ooh, that's really fun. By the way, I love this packaging, is super cute. Okay, so we're gonna... Ooh, I'm gonna go ahead and put some on. It has like a vanilla scent. Standard doe fit. I feel it's really good. Definitely not sticky. I like that. Okay, and that one was for $17. The next is the PYT Mini Turbo On The Go Hair Dryer. Oh my gosh. I was super excited that they were doing these. Ooh. Look at this. I got the shade, I think Coral, because I knew they came, or know that they came in different colors. It came in a little baggie. And we have 2 attachment heads. We have a diffuser, and we have this guy. Very, very nice. And like, I like this because the feel of it, it's not like smooth and shiny. Like it, I don't know, like it feels different, if that makes any sense. But it only has 2 settings. We have low and then high. Not bad, not bad. Perfect, because when you're on the go, who wants to bring a bulky hair dryer? Then we have the Dr. Brandt Clean Biotic pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser with chlorophyll. That's $35. Here it is. I was gonna say, where is it? Let's see. Powered by Biotic Balancing Complex. This prebiotic multitasking cleansing yogurt melts away grime, makeup, and excess oil for skin that is hydrated and never stripped. Let the plants do the dirty work. That's super cute. I'm so... Oh, it has like a little dirt there, but I don't know if this is sealed or not. Yeah, okay, it is sealed. Thank God. Perfect. I don't even have to buy a cleanser when I run out. That's awesome. BoxyCharm, keep it up with the cleansers because I'm loving it. Loving it. Okay. Let me see. Okay, so it's a little bit of a thicker consistency compared to the Glam Glow one. Yeah, it feels a lot, definitely like yogurt. Like that feels... It has a scent, but it smells like soap. The next item is the Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum, 30 mils. This feels heavy. This Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow is a 3-in-1 night serum that resurfaces, hydrates, and clarifies dull skin while you sleep. Formulated with 14% AHA and BHA, gentle flower acids blend, you'll get a youthful looking smooth complexion as the look of pores and fine lines and wrinkles are reduced. $58, you guys. That's... Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. So let's see. Ooh. Oh, okay, it has a pump. Let's see if I can get... Oh! It's way too much. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Oh, I like that. It's not too thick, but not too runny at the same time. It smells weird, but it doesn't smell bad. Ooh, I wonder how well this works, because I do use a lot of acids and stuff at night, so this will be interesting. The next is Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. So hairspray. Woo! Okay, can never go wrong with some hairspray. Ooh, it smells like powder. Like, no. It's definitely like has a smell to it, but it smells nice. Okay, and that one was 238 mils. Then the next item is the Trestique Good Vibes Mascara. This thing looks massive. Okay, sorry, my son just got in the house. So this is the mascara curler side. This looks so like intimidating at first, but I mean, it's just, you know, nothing special. Little curler, which is cool because, you know, less items that you have to bring. It does have little instructions on this sticker right here. So yeah, not that I need to know how to use the eyelash curler, but this thing still is, just the look of it, it's so massive. So here, I'm gonna, wow, check out that. Ooh, okay. Smells, my kids drive me nuts. Smells like your typical mascara. So this one was 25 bucks. Then last but not least, we have the Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew Mist, which is this right here. This one retails for $35. And hydrating mist formulated to soothe, protect, and illuminate the skin. It's inspired by the Italian legend of St. John's water, a magical dew produced using flowers and herbs during the summer solstice. Antioxidant rich and detoxifying botanicals. Okay. And it's supposed to rebalance the skin's pH level, tighten pores, and set makeup. So, ooh, my alarm is going off. So that's interesting. It looks like you would have to shake it. It looks like, you know, cloudy and stuff. The only bad thing is, I will have to say, this was leaking in my box a bit. So, you know, that's a bummer. What a waste of product. Okay, so this is, you know, your typical. Oh. Okay, it has a very fine mist. I don't know if you guys can see that. No, I can't even see it in the camera. Ooh, it smells very good. It smells like rosemary for sure. Okay. So that was all my items in the box of Luxe. Oh my god, box of Luxe. So now I'm going to do my face. That way I could try the bronzer and blush palettes. Sorry, I'm closing my box, and I will be right back. Hi you guys, so I just wiped off the powder off my face, and now I'm going to use the palette and the mascara and layer on some more lip gloss. Okay, so mascara we're gonna do first, because looks like I have no eyelashes on. I'm gonna go ahead and open that. Ooh, I gotta be so careful. So careful. Oh my gosh. Ooh, I got a clump there. Oh my gosh, let's see if I can get that. Okay. Ooh, okay, I got it. I definitely would not use this as a bottom lash line mascara. That's for sure. Oh my gosh, and it just jacked up my white eyeliner. I'm gonna have to fix that. Yeah, it's kind of hard to get it deep in by the roots. I don't think this is a good mascara. I don't know. I'm not digging this mascara. I've had better drugstore ones. But okay, that's that. Okay, so now I got my contour down. I'm gonna go in. I'm so torn on which one I want to use. But I think I want to use, what is this shade? Autograph? Just add some warmth. Oh my gosh. I don't normally use bronzer, but this is pretty. It's not too orangey, which I like. I'm so glad that there's 2 different shades. Arms, top of my face. Who's ready for summer, you guys? Because it's here. I'm using the shade Premier for blush. Apples of the cheeks and brushing backwards. This is super pretty. I like it. And then for highlights, it was the shade Headliner. Sorry, my daughter's distracting me. And that's like a pinky shade or champagne. So we're gonna just add that. Oh, look how pretty. I like it. You guys, you can never have enough highlight. You just can't. Oh my gosh, I think I put too much. We're gonna have to blend some of this out. But that's okay, because we could use some of the bronzer to do so. I'm gonna go in with some more lip gloss. I'm gonna put like a really good layer. And this, I don't even know what shade this is. This is Strawberry Lemonade. I like how it's not too pigmented. But just enough. Like a little tint. Looking juicy. And now I'm going to use the spray that we got. I'm trying to give it a good shake. And then I'm going to spritz a few times. And now I'm going to go in. Oh God, here we go. Oh wow, okay. It felt so nice on my, like, nicer than my MAC Fix Plus. Oh my gosh. Like, the mist was super fine. Oh my gosh, I want to put more. It smells amazing. That's it for this video, you guys. I am super happy with all the products that I got. Can't wait to try on my face the serum and the face wash. So yeah, if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave some comments down below, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and join the fam. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.